Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are here in Oklahoma City with a stranger. It's been a while since I've seen you.
Can I get a ride?
Can you get a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Can I get some food? You got some change?
I got some
spare change.
This is the guy that just hit 400,000 subscribers. Yeah, there you go. Congratulations, that's huge. That's
How you been, man? I ain't seen you in forever.
I've been underneath an Escalade for like 2 or 3 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
How's that working out?
That's not working out well.
I got another one for you if you haven't had enough from that one.
We'll see. I took it for a spin around the block and I survived. So it's like you said, it's a death trap.
It's ready to sell.
It's scary. It's scary bad. Anyway, we're here in Oklahoma City taking a look at all kinds of cars and trucks and Raptors and what is that, a TRX?
TRX.
Right there. But we're going to go one step further and we're going to take a look at an old school Oldsmobile. Is that an Olds? It looks like an Olds.
Yeah, it does.
This is going to be cool, so let's check it out. Here she is in all of her glory, and I haven't even seen her. We haven't even looked at her at all.
No.
The guy driving the forklift brought it out for us because he wanted to show it off. He thinks it's a good buy, and the guy's going to let it go for super cheap. Randy's
I disagree.
face.
I disagree. I don't disagree that it's a good car. It probably is, but from where I'm standing, I can look at the windshield and see how much he wants for it, and there's no way I'd pay that for it.
Oh, the price. I see the price right there.
Yeah, that's not cheap.
Whoa. That's got one too many zeros right there. Yeah. What is the year? What does it say is the year?
73?
73 Oldsmobile Delta 88, and the guy's first name is Mike. Ah! Look at that.
It's meant to be.
It is meant to be.
You should buy this.
How cool is this?
It is a cool looking car. I like it.
I don't know if this would even fit in the garage. I don't know how long this thing is. Does the top work? We don't know. We don't know anything about it. But it's been sitting out here in the rain.
Yes.
And the dust.
And we've had a lot of storms lately, so.
You've had hailstorms.
Yeah, and you can see there's dents all over the tree. It's, I don't know.
Well, there's what color it is if you want to take a quick look at it right there. This is, it's not ripped though.
No?
It's not ripped up at all. It's just super dirty. Go ahead and sit down.
No, I was gonna say you can sit in this one. This is all you.
This is, like I say, a hot mess. And it won't even, there we go. There, just a little pull. Okay.
It's a massive door.
Ooh, fancy. An R. I don't know why. It just has an R right there. Okay, I'm going to sit down.
For Randy.
For Randy. Now, see. Oh. There go my clean shorts. Here's your trim piece.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You want to put that on for me?
Yeah, here. I'll,
That's how long the back part of the car is.
This is just the quarter panel. That's just the quarter panel. I'm 6 foot tall.
That's a 10-foot pole. No,
I wouldn't touch this car with a 10-foot pole.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just kind of see. There's power.
It really?
There, the red light is on. Check out the radio right here. This is cool. Old school JVC. Oh, yeah. Should I just try to start it?
Yeah.
And just see what happens? Come on. I can't, with my sunglasses on, I can't see anything. You get speedometer and you get the gas. That's all you get. And our blinker's on. I can't see if there's any gas in here though. It's like the gas pedal isn't even attached. Is there anything? It doesn't do a whole lot. Come on. She has no gasoline. But look how cool this is. Through all the dust.
Yeah, it's.
Those are the only gauges you get. Wait, what's under here? Your miles and your gear.
Okay.
Miles, gear. I can't even see what that would be. But no oil pressure, no temperature, no nothing. You're looking for the top.
That's, yeah.
Oh, that seat was wet too.
Yes, it was.
Oh, there's all kinds of stuff going on right here. Oh no.
There's a lot of mouse stuff going on under the.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Look at this. I guess that's where the window, maybe.
And somebody painted over a bunch of.
Yeah.
This. No.
Randy no like. Let's see if the hood is even. How heavy is this going to be? Oh, look at all the scratches.
Oh wow. Yeah. So that's a.
Woo!
What, a 455?
You tell me. I've never had an 88 from 73 or whatever the year is. This thing is huge.
Yeah, it's a 455 with a turbo 400 transmission.
Okay. Wow. It is pretty cool.
Yeah.
You're missing a belt on your air conditioner.
Yeah, I'd be willing to bet the AC wouldn't work anyway.
Yeah. Look how rusty this is. Your master cylinder. I'm very familiar with brake parts now. Did I tell you how many calipers I put in and hydro boosts, and I tried to rebuild a hydro boost and it busted, and it was not a fun deal.
Well, hey, you don't know till you try, right?
Well, video out today actually, so go check out the video. It's my longest video on the biggest car I've ever purchased and the biggest POS I've ever purchased.
Let me see if I can, now that you dried the seat off, I'll get in it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's dry now.
Thank you. Oh. Almost. There's just no gas.
Give it a couple pumps on the carburetor. The gas pedal, I don't think it's connected, Mike.
You're moving it. You are moving it. But it's just not moving enough. Go to the floor. There it is. There's all kind of dust coming up over here.
Actually runs pretty good.
She sounds good.
It's got brakes.
Oh, she's alive. She is alive. And there's the guy that told us about it right there. He said, check out the car. Yeah. That still scares me when those belts do that.
I don't think it has reverse.
Oh.
No.
No.
Well, now it doesn't have drive either. It's got no gears.
It's probably just no fluid then, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe there was just enough at the bottom and now it's trying to circulate and there's nothing in there.
Wait, there. It's trying.
I still think it's kind of cool. I like the wheels. They're super old school.
Those are swingers.
What?
Swingers.
Swingers?
Well, they're not quite swingers, but they're close to swingers.
They look
you know what swingers are?
Well, as in person, yeah, but as in wheel, no.
No, swingers, man. The wheels they come out.
Come all the way.
They do that down like Houston and.
Okay.
Yeah.
The little miniature swingettes or something, but it's cool. This is really cool. I wonder how big the trunk is back here.
The hood doesn't close.
Tires.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, we'd have to do the keys. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to remove the keys to get in the trunk. This is it. What was this? 73?
Yep.
Delta 88. Old school for old Mike.
10 grand.
I don't like that price. Take a zero off and I'd buy it. And for our second vehicle, Randy just said Corvettes always get views.
Yeah.
No matter their condition. And this condition is crunched.
This should be your thumbnail.
This could be a thumbnail. This is, I don't know. Would people walk away from this? Yeah.
I'd buy it.
Yeah, you would?
I would. I don't think it's that bad.
Well, here's one of your front frame pieces right there.
So look, it ripped it apart.
Mm-hmm.
You can see this actually like slides over the frame rail. This whole piece can come off. See?
Okay.
as long as it didn't get too far back, I wouldn't be. You know why? Because I think it was V-tuned. I watched him put one of these back together. I also watched him rip one of these apart because it was too far gone. But the subframe is still intact down there.
Okay.
There's your power steering. It's still intact. The motor doesn't look like it took... No damage to the motor. I mean, you've got... The thermostat is broken. No, seriously though, like it looks rough, but I don't think it's that bad.
It's a lot of plastic parts too.
Give me a thing of JB Weld.
Yeah.
And some Plasti Weld and some Gorilla Tape. I'll put this thing back together in a day. I will. We'll be driving this in a day.
This is the Power Tour.
It could be.
2030. It'll take you that long to JB Weld everything together. Wow. It's a good looking car. These are gorgeous cars though. This is nice. We can't even get inside though because...
Oh, they threw the condenser.
Is it inside?
They threw all the parts in the seats.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Oh.
Everything is in there. Look at that.
Was uncalled for.
So that seat is totaled. All of the parts right there.
That's frustrating.
And there's your airbag. One of them. I'm sure a lot of them went off. Yeah, this is crazy. So there's your views, folks. There's your Corvette. I'm expecting 100,000 views on this video now. Easily.
You gotta tell them to share your video.
I do, but they don't.
Story of my life.
And finally, the truck Randy says I need to park on my driveway. One of my 2 driveways. I'm that bougie. But then I buy cars that are $125. Or I buy an F-150 that's worth, how much do you think?
$5,000.
Really?
No.
$5,000?
No.
How bad is it up there? Because I kind of see the bumper.
It needs a bumper and a grill.
That's it?
That's all. I mean, it's got a dent in the hood, but I wouldn't worry about that. Easy fix, Mike. Easy fix.
Dent in the hood. We're missing some pieces.
They're down there somewhere.
Yeah.
See, look. See, here's all the pieces you're missing are stuck down.
Can you fix this with your JB Weld? Or
Yeah, that's easy.
That's easy to do?
Easy.
Okay.
And for the missing lens,
yeah,
you just use tape. You know, that clear tape?
Yeah, I've got some of that at home.
Like Scotch tape or something?
Packaging tape.
Yeah, it works just as good as that ever could.
That'd be perfect. No, this is... I don't know.
This is easy, Mike.
It's a fixer-upper, absolutely. And that's what I kind of specialize in. Cars and trucks that maybe don't deserve to be on the road. I try to put them back on the road.
Ooh. Hey, Mike, there might be frame damage.
Oh, the door moves like an inch down when you open it. Look at the...
yeah. And
up here.
It's the frame is full.
Just keep the door closed.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, this is a good truck for Mike. You know what? I like the interiors of these. I really do. I like the blue lights and everything. No, find one that wasn't damaged so much, and oh, it's got a big old Sony speaker right there. What does this door sound like? Oh. This one's okay. So it's just the front half of the truck that's hurt.
Yeah, this door is hitting this door. Yeah. I'm going to go out on a limb and say there is some significant frame damage on this one.
And they used to chew, and they would spit, and then they missed. My dad used to do that too.
Spit, beach him.
Yep. He was a red man chewing tobacco guy. This was nice. But we're just going to have to keep looking. I'm just going to have to be happy with my 500,000-mile Escalade until it kills me. And then I won't be very happy anymore.
It's coming sooner than later, I think, Mike.
All right. Oh, that's really stable.
Ooh.
That's a good little tripod you got, Mike. Yeah, okay. Only the best here at Monkey Wrench Mike. Did I tell you I uploaded a video? Because I do everything on my phone, okay? I don't have a big fancy Apple computer. Uploading yesterday's video, it took an hour to process because I do it all on my phone, and then to upload it to YouTube. And I have Cox, the fastest cable Cox offers 4 hours. It took 4 hours to upload that video last night. That's why I'm cranky today.
You are cranky
I
today,
am cranky
Mike.
because I woke up 4 times checking my phone to see if it had uploaded the video.
Are you filming in 4K?
No.
1080?
Yes. Yes. It's crazy. So I have to go to AT&T or something. So.
Sell your house.
No, I
move.
can't do that.
I would. I will sell a house over the internet. Yep.
You have. You've moved because of the internet.
I can't do that. No.
Okay. Well, check out this video. What am I saying? I don't even know because I'm going on 2 hours of sleep. So.
And a long drive from Tulsa.
And I got to go to the bathroom too, but we can't.
They wouldn't let them.
They wouldn't let me. Remember in California, they wouldn't let me go because I looked so crappy. I wouldn't go in, and they wouldn't let me go urinate.
I don't remember that, really.
We were driving back from somewhere, and they wouldn't let me go pee.
I remember that. But it was a rough part of LA, I think.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Or maybe I looked homeless or something. I don't know. But
I don't think you looked. I told them, I said, come on, man. I said, you got a bathroom? And they said, no.
Yeah.
They said, there's a porta potty around the corner.
Yeah. So I'm standing like this. Can you see what's going on right here? Yeah, I got my legs crossed.
Oh,
my tripod just broke. All right, before disaster happens, we're going to call it quits. Big thanks to this guy for letting me hang out and help me build my channel. Go check out his little bitty, teeny tiny YouTube channel that just hit 400,000 people.
I'm getting there.
He's getting there. Fingers crossed. And I'm about to hit 50, so
see,
we're getting there. Yeah.
Goals achieved.
Check. All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Bye.